Morning, friends. What's up, how you doing? All right, quickly, it's a new week. I want to do a quick analysis on few currency pairs. So I'm starting with US30. Just a quick update on what we are seeing currently. All right, just an overview of our last recap. US30 ran to the upside and we could see a retracement into this Fibonacci region, and we're expecting the market to come to this region. Don't forget, this is the 100% retracement, and the overall where we expect the market to get to at the long run. So let me just put an indication here for where I'm expecting the market to come. This is the 100% retracement where the market might likely to reverse. So as we can see, it's quite simple. The overall market is in an uptrend, and the market came just to breathe a little into this retracement level 0.5, 0.6, and the market is rallying back up. So if you are able to clear this region, we are going to make this new high. So let me just delete these Fibonacci levels. So I already have my level. Let me draw them nicely. So this is the region where I'm expecting the market to come into. So I already understand the market sentiment, the overall flow of the market, and where the market is going to. So all I need to do right now is just scale down to my lower time frame on the weekly and draw important key levels. This is how we trade, guys. It's as simple as that. I already know the market direction, so all I need to do now is the market key levels. So as we can see, I'm seeing quite an area around this region. We already know what we are looking at. What we are looking at in the market is a buy. We don't have any business selling this market because the market direction has already given us a clear indication that the market is buying. So every analysis that I will be doing is to the upside. Alright, so I can see this clearly: a head, a left shoulder, and a right shoulder. Also, as we can see, we can also see a small head, left shoulder, and right shoulder. Either ways, this is the neckline for the two of them. If you have to consider this big one, this is the head, the left shoulder, and the right shoulder. Let me draw what I'm saying so it can be clear. This is the head, the left shoulder, and the right shoulder. So for the small one, this makes the head, the left shoulder, and the right shoulder. So both of them has the same neckline, so I'll just use the neckline, a single neckline for both of them. Just wanted to see, I want you guys to see what I'm seeing, that's all. So this particular region, let me just delete them, I don't need them anymore. So this particular region is the neckline. So market broke this neckline, and we are seeing a sort of retracement back into the trend line. And we all know, once a market breaks a particular region, when market breaks a particular region and retraces back, we are heading up. So I'm heading up on this market, and we already know the market sentiment is a buy. So every indication is saying a buy on the US30. So what do I need to do now? I think I'm still seeing some areas of concern where this market retraced back. If I'm able to draw it back and back test it, I can see the market tested it at this region, also at this region. A market retraced back. So all I want to do now is just scroll down to my lower time frame for my entries. We don't enter on the higher time frame, we only use the higher time frame for our analysis. So what am I going to do on the lower time frame? The daily time frame is my entry time frame. So since I understand the market is in a buy trend, I want to draw my trend line to see how the market is doing. Once I'm able to draw my trend line, alright, the market tested it around this region. rallied up, came back into it, rallied up, and we're seeing the market coming into the trend line again, and we can see a critical zone like a resistance and support zone at the same time. This is sort of confluence. If I draw my Fibonacci from a swing low to a swing high, it is also sort of the same level. So this particular level is a very critical level that I want to be buying the market. So what do I need to do for my entry? This is exclusive for above student. I won't be sharing my entry strategy, but all indication on US30 is saying a buy. So once you see whatever strategy you're using for your entry, this place is a critical region where you want to be entering US30. So US30 is a buy, guys. So this particular area is a very critical region. Let me just delete this. I don't need it. So this region is a very critical region that you want to be considering. Guys, don't trade in the zone. Allow the market to bounce before you trade. So once you see any indication for your strategy to enter, we are heading on US30, and this is okay. We'll be taking partial of a profit at 100% retracement, sorry, and the next profit target is around this region. So the market is quite good. I'm optimistic about it. Alright, what other pairs am I seeing? Let's just check Euro USD and GBP USD. Euro dollar. What's Euro dollar doing right now? Okay. Euro USD, GBP USD. Currently Euro dollar is selling. If you check our last previous analysis, you will see clearly what we were looking at Euro. So I was expecting Euro dollar to come break this counter trend line at the weekly, so we've successfully done that. So I will just be waiting for a retracement into this support zone, resistance zone rather. Once we're able to come into this resistance zone, we are shutting the market down. That's if you've actually been conservative, you might allow the market to come break this level before you start selling. Either ways, Euro USD is a sell. Also GBP USD is doing the same thing currently. GBP USD is also doing the same thing currently, just like Euro dollar. GBP USD is also a sell. So we've successfully broken this zone to the downside. So once the market bleed a little, I'll wait for a retracement into this level, and I'll be shorting it down into this level. Guys, please kindly mind this region. You might want to take partial at this level. This is an area of concern. So once the market is able to bring a little downside, then it retraces, you might want to enter, and this is the destination. So if you're able to break this region, we are still heading lower into this region. So that's that about that, guys. So if you want to know how we enter the trade correctly without being stopped out when the market begins to move, you might want to subscribe to our academy that is on www.myabove.ng. Sign up and you can just go under the academy. You will see the course right there. Don't just trade the market blindly. You need an hedge, you need a strategy, and you need to be consistent. So that's that about that, guys. Also, we are an exchanger, and if you want to exchange with Above FX, just go to the website. Also, we exchange Skrill, PM, cryptocurrency, and some other e-currencies that you might want to exchange. Just go onto the login, sign up, and check us out. And lastly, you might want to just click on the description below, on the like button below, if you like this video and it's valuable and you've learned something. Please follow us on this channel. We'll be dropping more videos that are valuable for you, that might be useful for your trading career. So thank you. Stay above.